she is. Alright, the Amazon guy came through. Got the turbo rebuild kit right here. Hopefully the stuff is the right stuff. Says TD04. I have a TD04 turbo. Let me get to right over here. Alright, yep, this is the Greddy turbo. TD04H. What did this yet? Delivered. Alright. First I'm going to be taking this apart. I have all the tools here. Hopefully I have all of them. Never taken one of these apart before, but I'll see how it goes. Alright, here's the oil drain. And then this side is the oil feed. Let me just show the camera real quick. TD04H from the Greddy kit. No shaft play or anything. I'm just replacing the seal and all the bearings and stuff. Okay. And never did this before. But I did watch a few YouTube videos. There we go. Like that. Nice and lubed up. And then I believe you're supposed to take this one and put it on top of it. And then you take your, I think this is a thrust plate or something like that. Drop it on there. Oh, like that. I believe that's correct. Now I'm going to go to the kit, take the O-ring. Put the O-ring in, so I try to do this with one hand. There we go, perfect fit. Nice and snug. Alright, we got the feed line on. As you can see, it goes to the block. Stainless steel braided line. Turbine housing. Jesse's over here helping out. Just kidding, he's not doing anything.
Just making here for background noises.
Never mind that. I will cut that out. But alright, let's just test fit it real quick. What the? No, not there, bro. Careful. Oh, dang. Hold it, hold it. Oh, damn, son. Where'd you find these?
You see what I'm saying?
Shut up, bro. Got the turbo on. About to be spooling away.
I wish it sounded like that. So.
Anyways, got the wastegate, feed lines. Got to get the piping next, and then the return. kind of ghetto how it was done before by the previous owner. He had it routed from this side and it routes here. Not very comfortable with it, but let's just see how it goes. Jesse over here changing the oil. That brand new oil filter down there.
Framed by broke boys.
Shut. They don't have to know it's Fram. Shut up. There it is. The Fram. I mean the K&N. Oh, gotta have that Castrol GTX. Full synthetic.
Bro, take out the stick and show them the real oil.
Actually, it's synthetic blend. My bad, guys. Alright, we're just doing the last finishing touches on the install. New oil filter, got the oil in, capped off. Just to tighten up all the intercooler piping. Got all that tightened up. This side too. Just doing some last minute checks. This is about to be spooling soon. And then I got to put this big old oil filter, air filter on. That'd be pretty big. Not sure if I'm gonna run it, but yeah, I might as well then. Yeah. And yeah. I'm ready. First start, let's go. What's up?
Front wheel drive with put a gear?
No! Look at this idiot, bro. I'm gonna check for leaks. Bro, stop! We're good. Alright, here's recording. Alright guys, with the turbo on, I'm gonna do some test pulls. Put a safe out. I'm gonna take a left right here. Alright, right now it's running, let's see, according to the AFR, let's see, it seems to be running good. Hopefully, I'm getting oil pressure to the turbo. It's a little test pull. Hey, it pulls pretty good. I'm scared to rip on it, but this thing's pretty fast. Check it out. Alright, it's running good. Spooling away. It needs its motor mounts changed for sure.